If you're like me and you don't wash your hair very often, you're gonna need some styling ideas. Step 1, wake up looking this glam. I'm just kidding, I obviously did my makeup, but I do sleep with one of these jammy jams, so my hair keeps its volume, but this makes sure that you don't damage your hair and you don't get messy. Alright, so here is what you're going to need. Your handy dandy brush or comb that you use for when your hair is dry to minimize damage. Your dry shampoo, whatever brand you use, I don't give two shits. A comb that allows you to tease and to separate bobby pins. One of these gems, but you're probably gonna need more than one because I break them all the time. An elastic band. I'm gonna use a small one for this, but you can use regular size. Don't really matter. You're not gonna see it. Last thing, finish it off. This is my faves. R&co Trophy Spray is the best for like shine and texture and kind of gives you a little bit of hold so you don't even need hairspray. Drunk off a box of wine one night and you like cut your own bangs. Like, I don't recommend it. I am so famous for this. Like, I never blend my dry shampoo correctly and it shows up in pictures fucking awful. But okay, so we're gonna separate. We're gonna make sure it's even Steven so that my OCD doesn't kick in and I get anxiety over my hair because life gives me enough anxiety. All right, and we have this collection. Pancaking. Do you know what pancaking is? I didn't know what it was. I had to Google it. And we're ready to go, right? Like, let's start our day. This is what, no, that will. Anybody has tips on how to do this right the first time? Like, I spend an unreasonable amount of time trying to get this right. Comb this bad boy down. Leave it a little loose. Tighten it after. And now, the magic happens. My cowlick makes styling my hair really annoying sometimes, but that's okay. It's okay. It's alright. There we go. Comb it out. Comb it out. Not a big deal. And flip this baby drum back. Obviously, I didn't heed my own advice. That's okay. That's what bobby pins are for. Alright, let's just, you know, make this look a little more lived in, forgiving of all sins. The other side for good measure. Keep that shit even. So, finish it off with my r&co. Alright, we're ready to roll. Have a great day.